Alright, for this video, we'll be replacing the front headlight assembly unit from a MantisX Plus. You're going to need 3 items for this repair. First, a wire cutter, and a 4mm Allen wrench, and a zip tie. First, use the wire cutter to snip off the zip tie that's holding the harness bundle. To get to the light assembly harness, go ahead and disconnect those. Give it a gentle tug. It's the yellow wire that leads to the light assembly. Once that's done, set aside the wire cutter and use a 4mm wrench to unscrew the screw mount for the light assembly. And you'll note that it comes off in 2 pieces. There is a adjustment bracket that allows the headlight to move up and down. So make sure you don't lose this. Go ahead and grab your replacement light along with the original bracket and insert those 2 items back into the light guide mount. Insert the screw and make sure to not forget the bolt on the other side. Grab your 4mm Allen wrench and tighten the screw. So once the bracket mount is tightened, the last step is to grab your zip tie and your wire cutter and bundle the wire, but don't forget to plug the light harness. That's the yellow cable. And once that's done, use a zip tie to bundle the harnesses together. And go ahead and snip off the end of the zip tie. And that concludes the front headlight assembly replacement.